Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Dell Precision 3280 CFF. We're talking about the OWC 64GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM kit. This kit consists of two 32GB SATA modules, and right off the bat, the 64GB capacity is a huge plus for anyone running memory-intensive applications like video editing software, CAD programs, or even demanding virtual machines. The DDR5 technology is the latest standard, offering significantly faster speeds and improved efficiency compared to DDR4. Specifically, this OWC kit runs at 5600 MHz, which translates to snappier response times and smoother multitasking. It's rated at CL46, which refers to the CAS latency. While a lower CL is generally preferred, the DDR5 architecture compensates well, and the overall performance gain from the increased speed and bandwidth is substantial. The modules are 2RX8, meaning they're dual-ranked, which can further enhance performance in certain workloads. They operate at a low voltage of 1.1 V, contributing to energy efficiency and potentially reducing heat output. OWC emphasizes that this kit is 100% compliant with JEDEC standards and is RoHS compliant. This is crucial because it ensures compatibility and reliability. You're getting a product that's designed to meet or exceed the original manufacturer's specifications, giving you peace of mind. Installation is generally straightforward. OWC even provides a basic installation video to guide you through the process. In most cases, it's as simple as removing the old memory modules and snapping the new ones. However, always consult your Dell Precision 3280 CFF service manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. One of the standout features of OWC is their commitment to customer support. They offer a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This level of support is invaluable, especially if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. This OWC kit is a direct replacement for Dell part number SNP0X1C3C32G AC774046, so you can be confident that it's the right fit for your system. If you're looking to maximize the performance of your Dell Precision 3280 CFF, the OWC 64GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a high-quality, reliable upgrade backed by excellent support.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.